What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Whitfrolife. So this is my first time on YouTube, and I just want to thank all the people who are watching right now. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be right here with me. This channel is pretty much going to be about my hair journey. As you can see, I have this bomb tapered haircut. If you knew me personally or before YouTube, you know that I recently cut my hair into this haircut. So this video is pretty much going to be about what made me cut my hair, why I wanted to start a YouTube channel, and what I plan on doing with my YouTube channel. So just stick around. So the number one question I've been receiving is, what made you want to cut your hair? You're pretty much hair goals. And a lot of people liked my hair. They look to my hair for inspiration. And it's like, why did you go cut it off? Why? So for you who want to know why I cut my hair, the number one reason, well, the overall reason is because I just wanted to. Like, if you want to do something, why do you gotta have a reason for doing it? Just do it. So that's my overall reasoning for cutting my hair. To dig a little deeper into why I wanted to cut my hair, I was starting to wake up disgusted with my hair every day. My hair was growing, but as you can see from the pictures, that it was growing, but it was thinning on the ends. It would grow and the ends would be thin. So I never could blow my hair out and straighten it the way I wanted to. My twist outs weren't performing to the way I wanted them to perform. I pretty much wore my hair in a puff, or I wore braids, or I had wigs. So although some people thought my hair was hair goals, I pretty much was disgusted with my hair. Yep, truth. So the number two reason why I cut my hair was because I just wanted to start over, and I wanted to see if I actually took care of my hair, if I took my vitamins, if I ate better, if I worked out, if I just nourished my body from the inside out, how would my hair perform? So I wanted to cut it off and just see, maybe within 6 months, a year, how much would my hair grow back. And also with this new YouTube channel, I can track growth of my hair and the progress. And you guys, if someone out there wants to big chop their hair, we could kind of do the progress together. You have me, and we're gonna just do better in 2018. So guys, tell me what you think. Do you like it? Are you feeling it? I'm gonna try to do a 360 turn so everybody can see the front and the back. So leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about it. If you're digging it, if you think I'm crazy for just starting over, you can let me know that too. Thumbs up if you're feeling this video. Comment below some things you would like for me to talk about on my channel. Make sure you subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram at wit_frolife. I'll be posting some quick tutorials there. Also on my channel, I'm going to try to update every week so I can have some hair tutorials. Right now I have a wash and go that I've already filmed the video for. I'm going to try to do some styles with this. As you can see, my sides are very low, but they're not shaved off, so I can do a lot with this. So I'm going to try to get very creative. So if you have a hairstyle that's similar to this, if you're growing out your big chop and you need some inspiration for hair looks, you can come here. I'm going to be here with you, and we're going to be experimenting together. So welcome. And tell a friend to check out Whitfrolife.